Gardening Week has just launched in Lidl, and some of these prices are honestly unbelievable. I'm in Lidl today checking out everything they've launched for the 2026 gardening season, and if you've ever thought about becoming a bit more green fingered, this is a great look at everything you might need to get you started. They've got everything from full-size greenhouses for just $29.99 to cold frames, planters that look far more expensive than they actually are, and loads of clever bits that will get your garden ready for spring. So I'm going to show you all the best finds, what's actually worth buying, and what I pick up myself to get my garden ready for 2026. As soon as I walked into my Lidl, I could not believe the amount of stuff. The entire middle aisle was just gardening. I don't think I've ever seen it this full before. This week it's Lidl's big gardening event where they drop loads of tools, planters, greenhouses and garden bits all at once. Now, I did have a quick look online before coming, and my husband has also been through the leaflet, so I've actually got a little list of things he's asked me to pick up today. But I'm also going to show you everything they've got in store. For me, this is actually a bit of a busman's holiday because I used to be a horticultural buyer and I was responsible for buying a lot of garden sundries, so walking into this aisle feels very familiar, but I have to say I'm actually shocked at some of the prices. We went to a big garden centre last week, one of the large chains, and the prices were honestly crazy. So seeing some of these bits here at Lidl is really interesting. We're currently getting our garden ready for spring. Last year we grew loads of things and did a huge amount of work outside, so this year we've got even more planned. So I'm here today to pick up a few bits and show you what I think is actually worth buying. So they were actually still putting a lot of the stock out, but I did manage to pick up one of these that was on my list. It's a little stainless steel hand trowel, only $1.99, which is honestly unbelievably cheap. And actually the quality felt okay, so that was definitely coming home with me. They also had loads of these little garden accessories, things like ground spikes, which we use to hold the mesh down on our chicken house. They also had netting for your beans and loads of wire, just really handy little bits. All of them were only 99p, which is super affordable if you're doing a bit of gardening this year. And then I spotted these little hand sprayers, again just 99p, so I picked one up and it'll be perfect for misting the seedlings when we've got them in the trays when they start growing. Then I spotted the big gardening tubs. They're on my list. They're 30 litres, so a really good size. They came in a few colours. They're honestly so handy around the garden. You can use them for everything. You can use them collecting weeds, storing bits in the shed. I've even used them for mixing cement. They are a little bit thinner than the branded ones, but for $3.49 is such a good price. So I did pick one of these up. Then I spotted the watering can, which is a crazy price, $2.99. When I used to work buying garden sundries, the rose at the end of the watering can used to cost more than $2.99. So this is an absolutely cracking price. Next up, it was something on my list, these garden cloches. You can either get one large one with 2 opening vents at the top or a pack of 2 small ones. My husband wanted a pack of 2 and they're $9.99. They're actually cheaper than Aldi this week as they were selling them for $12.99. They're just really handy for protecting young plants, and I like these because they have a nice solid frame. Then I spotted something I'd never seen before, a collapsible water butt. I thought this was actually a brilliant idea. It's $19.99, completely foldable, and it comes with a tap and a little metal frame. It holds 250 litres of water water, and it's designed for environmentally friendly garden irrigation. It's also UV resistant and really watertight, and if you've got a small garden, it's only 58 centimetres by 91 centimetres, so it's a really clever space saving option. Another item that I think is going to be really popular this week is this greenhouse. It's made from a tear resistant PE fabric, has fly screens for ventilation, and it's tool free assembly. But the real star find for me was this much larger greenhouse. This one is 1.4 metres by 2 metres by 1.4 metres, and it even includes the racking inside to put your plants on. For $29.99, I think it's an absolute bargain, but you will have to secure it to the ground very securely. My current polytunnel is blowing around my garden, so do bear that in mind. You've got to secure it. Another amazing find were these coal frames, the $19.99 with a little plus card, $24.99 without, and they are a really good size, just over a metre and about 60 centimetres deep, so perfect for protecting young plants or hardening off seedlings before they move on to the garden. I actually snapped one of these up for my garden, and a funny thing happened while I was filming. A lady next to me picked up 5 of them, and she said she could not believe the price, so I have a feeling these might sell out quite fast. They also had some really clever planters reduced down to $7.99. They're nice and tall, but the planting section sits just in the top, so you don't have to fill the entire pot with compost, which actually saves you a lot of money. And the best part is the top section lifts in and out really easily, so you can swap your plants throughout the year: spring bulbs, summer flowers, autumn planting. It makes changing the display really simple, and for $7.99, I thought these looked really smart. They even had a little silver badge detail on the front. They also had a huge selection of growing pots in loads of different sizes. They're made from recycled material, and they also have an FSC certification, which basically means the materials used come from responsibly managed sources. And one thing I would suggest though, a few years ago I put a message on Facebook asking for unwanted plastic pots, and I have never had so many people drop them off at my house, so it's definitely worth trying. It's a great way to recycle them and to give old pots a second life. They also had some really lovely large planters. These are 40 centimetre plant pots, and they come in 2 different colours. They're actually really good quality for $4.99, so I did pick a couple of these up. These are perfect for summer bedding plants, but I've actually used pots like this at home before to grow tomatoes in. They're that really good size, and you can really fit a lot in them. think I've saved the best two things till last. The first one was actually on my list, and it was this potting table. This was £29.99 with a Lidl card, and it had a galvanised metal top, some extra hooks for tools, and what I really liked about it is that it had the galvanised feet at the bottom, which helps stop the wood rotting if it's sitting on wet ground, so it went in my trolley. And then they had these huge raised planters with covers. Honestly, the quality of the top on these was amazing. I've seen just the cover part selling in garden centres for £19.99, but this comes with the full stand as well. I already have something at home, so I didn't need this, but I thought these were really good. I am back from Lidl. I had my list of everything I wanted to get. My husband went to the garden centre last weekend and couldn't believe how expensive everything was. It was a chain garden centre, not a little independent, and it was so expensive. So he sent me off with a list, and they had everything I wanted. We wanted a tub truck, so I picked up one of these. Not as thick as the branded ones, they are thinner, but that was a good price. Got one of these spray things for the seeds, that was 99p, and they didn't have much of these out, but I did pick up a little hand trowel because we don't have one. Don't know where it's gone, but picked that one up there. These pots are brilliant. These are going to be for my patio to put some plants in. They were only £4.99, really good size. Made in the EU, there you go. Right, and then just realised this garden bag I actually bought in Aldi. So if you haven't watched that video, do check out my Aldi video because it should be up on the channel now. They've also got loads of gardening stuff. I bought that from Aldi, so ignore that. Then I picked up this coal frame, which was £19.99. Now, if you've looked in a garden centre, I think these were £59.99 when we looked at the weekend. They were slightly more solid, but once you've got them in the ground, £19.99. So I picked up one of those cold frames. Then I picked up this, picked up a pack of these. They came in a really big one or two small ones. Husband wanted two small ones, so this is a garden cloche set, £9.99, really good price. So I got two of those, and I like the fact it's got the frame inside, so it's quite solid, sturdy even. Then I picked up the potting table. Now, they had these in Aldi this week as well, but they were cheaper in Lidl, so I picked this one up. And we like this one because it's got the stainless steel top, it's got the hooks on the side, and it's a pretty good size. So I picked that one up, that was really good. And then I bought a rake, which again was a bargain, to rake our drive because the gravel's kind of turned into a beach at one end and it's all needs spreading out. So I picked that up. So that is everything I picked up. So that's everything that's new this week for Lidl's Gardening Week. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you'd pick anything up yourself. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button because every week there are new special buys coming into store in the gardening section. So I'll be showing you all the best finds and letting you know what's actually worth buying. Also make sure you check out the other videos on my channel because there are loads more shopping finds, dupes and deals. So I want to thank you very much for watching and I shall see you on the next video. Quick one before I go, my small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.